You want to make sure that you're always in control of your data, and SmartSuite provides you the tools you need to be able to export and print your data whenever you need it. Let's say I'm managing my projects and I want to be able to export my data either to back up that information or to be able to share it with others in another application. I can click this menu up at the top and I can click on export. And here I've got four different options: PDF, Excel, Google Sheets, or CSV. In this case, let's do Google Sheets. This will allow me to sign in with Google, and I'll click. And once I authenticate and give it the permissions that I need to, now it's going to actually open up that report so that we can export that information really easily. But we're not limited to data that's just in views. I could go ahead and open up an individual record, this project that I'm working on, and we could export this individual project. Maybe in this case, I want to create a PDF of that. I've got my settings. I can export this. This is going to let me download the file. And I can open this up, and now I've got that nice summary of where we're at with our project. Or I could print the record directly. So I can click that action menu, and we could click on print, choose our settings, and this is going to open up our dialog to be able to send it directly to our printer. Whether it's backups or reports, stay in control of your data with SmartSuite.